Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a product. It's a 12 volt Max Series rotary tool by Dremel. Now the one I'm going to show you is model 8220-N/30H because it has 30 accessories included. And there's also 8220-1/28 and that has 28 accessories. They're the same unit, just a different choice of accessories. Now this unit comes with this very nice case, as you can see, very durable plastic case that locks closed so that you can keep everything all organized, and it has a nice handle on there and locking tabs in the front here. And open that up. Let's take a look what's inside here. On one side you have the instruction manual and a warranty card, and the other side you have the unit itself and the lithium-ion charger and the accessory box, which has those 30 accessories in there. So I'm going to be showing you how to operate this device and how it works and what accessories are included. So I have the device and the charger out of the box. Now some of the specifications of this device right here, it will go between 5,000 and up to 33,000 RPM. And the battery right here, which you're going to show, is a lithium-ion, and to remove it, you just push in and pull out and the battery gets removed. Now this battery has no memory effect like the older technology, and it actually will hold the charge for up to 2 years, which is pretty amazing. Now the included charger is set up for 110 volts in the US, 120 volts, 110 volts, and it's specifically designed for this charger. And it is a quick charger, so it will fully charge this battery within an hour, usually less than an hour. So it's very simple to operate. I'm going to demonstrate that here. I'm going to plug this into a polarized plug, just like that, and the battery slides in here, and you can see it only fits one way on here because it has slots on here, so if you try to do it the wrong way, it won't go in. So you push it in like that and you hear it click into place, and if you look closely on there you'll see a blinking green LED. Now that's telling you that it's in the quick charge mode, and that will stop blinking. It'll be a solid green when it is done charging, and that lets you know that it's complete. So you just remove this like that and it goes into the unit, and if you try to put it the wrong way, it won't let you put it in. Just like that, and then you'll hear a click and you know it's in. Now the unit itself has this nice metal piece right here that will open up, and that allows you to hang this from a hook on your wall or wherever your lab is. That's really nice. It has a display right here with 3 LED indicators of the remaining charge. Now you notice here it has a control for the speed, and it's 10, 20, 30. This is from low all the way to high, the high being the 33,000, the low being the 5,000 RPMs. Now the power switch is right here. You slide it forward, just like that. You can hear the tool going right there. And you can see I can adjust the power. Very smooth. And you can see the LEDs right here are showing that all 3 are lit, so it has full power. Before I forget, the collar that comes with is a 1/8 inch collar that is included. Now this blue button right here is your collet lock, and that will lock this so that you can put in a bit. You have 2 ways to install bits on this. So let's go get one of the bits out of this 30 right here. Let's go get one of the included stone sanding bits. So I'm going to put it in just like that. You can see it's loose. Now you could hold this lock button right there, and you could rotate this clockwise, and they have an included wrench that allows you to tighten this down while you're holding that right there. Now you should theoretically remove the battery while you're doing this for safety, but that's one way. You just tighten that like that. Another option you have to tighten it is to hold the lock button down, unscrew this, and now you have this nifty little wrench that you can turn just like that, and then put it back on, and then it's another way to use it. Then your tool is ready to use. Now when you're using the tool, there are some things to be careful with. There are vents along the side right here, so you don't want to hold this thing like that and block those vents. You want to hold it like a pencil for delicate work, or you can also hold it like this for more rigid work that requires more force. But you definitely don't want to plug these up because they're there for ventilation of the motor. So that's basically it. Let's go over some of the, comes with the wrench, comes with a paste for buffing, comes with a reinforced Dremel cutting circle piece. It comes with the mandrel that works with all the little fiber buffing wheels. And I see 5 large ones, or 4 large ones and 3 small ones. And that just simply screws right in there and it locks it into place. Then you have a nice buffing wheel to use this cream to polish things. The other one that comes with the other mandrel is got a flathead screw on there, and that will work with that piece right there, and also will work with the included stone pieces right there. That's another option. And then they also have an included nice little grinding drum. And when you tighten that Phillips or flathead screw, it expands the rubber inside to hold it into place. And you have a whole assortment of extra ones in here. Now when you look online and you go place your order, you can see a full diagram of all these parts that it comes with, because I'm just going over briefly what it comes with. So everybody knows how that Dremel is one of the most reliable brands, and it's one of the brands that started this movement, this rotary tool movement. So it's very top of the line. And I've used Dremel tools over the years, just always had Dremel. So I really appreciate the quality and everything, and reliability. And I think I mentioned this has a 2-year warranty, and you can register that online. I really like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. If you like this video, please hit the like button also. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.